Hey my pretties, welcome back. We are walking inside of Big Lots today. I know that I just came to Big Lots the other day. This is actually a whole different location, but I know that they were going to continue putting more stuff out, so I wanted to come and check out what they may have set out that we didn't see. These are 12, and I think this is new. $8. Okay, so let's go walk around. Oh, look at this. This is called the Paris collection for $15. Those are nice. I like those. They have this one right here. Some pretty little globes with the gold on it. I think I've seen these before. I can't remember. Those are 12. Little bird houses for 10. And lots of little signs. Succulents. These are 4. Okay. Head honcho. That's 6. And it looks like there's one back there that says girl boss, and these are wood. It's a good day to have a good day. Okay, that's every day. Okay, so oh look, see, every time I come it's something different. Look at that. Okay, these are 20, and the back is actually a mirror right there. That's different for it to be a mirror in the back. I'm used to seeing it with the mirror on top, but you have the 3 drawers and they're lined. This is 10, Paris collection, so I guess that's their new collection. Love for 5. That's the gray. The pink one has the X's and O's. You and me, hui. 8. These are 6. And that one, oh, that's why, because you get into the Paris theme up here. That picture up there, I'm not sure how much it is, but I do see these for 3. Oh, that's nice. A mirror tray for 15. And you have those pictures. Choose happy. This is 5. And it looks like they have different ones. Gold digger. Stop glamour time. So there's a few. And then you have this sign right here. These little vases is 8 for that one. And this one is 6, but look, it has the gold around the top. That's nice. You have that flower for 12. And let me see, there's a white one back there. Let's see what that is. Oh, okay. So you can get the pink frame or the white frame. That is 8. And these 10. Those are pretty. The smaller one is 8. Little old-fashioned alarm clocks for 12. Okay, here's the collection I just showed you when I did my other walkthrough with the easy peasy lemon squeezy rug right there. They've added a few items, extra items at this location. That's 15. This blue picture is 20. This one is really pretty. No price on that one though. You have the Lazy Susan. No price on that either. That tray, we looked at most of this. The spoon rest. Yeah, I'm gonna stop looking because there's no prices on this stuff. But I do like the patterns on the, all of it. Here's some of their new bathroom stuff. The blue coastal collection. You have the shower curtains, but look at these. Look at that color on that. It's kind of like a pearl or marbled. I don't know how you would say that, but it's pretty. 12 for the big one. Toothbrush holder. 7. Little sea turtles, that's $6 for your soap dish. There's a whale back there for $5. $8 right there. This is nice. That's $7. And then this soap dish right here is $6. Lots of nice stuff. I really like this one though. Look at that. It says breathe, and then it looks like it has rocks on the side. And it has the clear over it. That's really nice. And it's heavy too. Not bad for $8. Is that another? There's a fish back there and another whale in that color. So you can get the blue or like that metallic gray. This says balance. $7. And the soap dish says relax. They also have the candle holders to go with it. Okay, there's the towels we looked at. There's the pillows that we looked at, and the comforter from the other location. And then I think, yeah, we saw most of this. I didn't see this there though. This is $20. I like that it has a little handle on top. Yeah, I think we saw most of this. Wash, brush, floss, and flush. Say that 5 times. Wash, brush, floss, and flush. $5. Getting squeaky clean. And then that one says so fresh and so clean. Here's a little bit of their St. Patrick's Day stuff. A little doll down there. Some pins, glasses, and then over here I saw some tutu skirts, hats, and scarves. The P.S. I love you pillow. This right here, decorative wood bowl for $18. It's pretty big. This is $5. Here's some cool little containers right here. It says Hudson. No price on them, no. You have an area for a label. You have this one with the handle. And then look at this one. Willow Homegrown Farms. And it is wood in the front. And then you have like that cage look on the side. Or you can get this one. Okay, let's go on this side of the store. I haven't seen any new furniture yet. They do still have those little vanity tables right there. They're actually clearance down to $99. And they have that in white and black with the little stool. More succulents right here. Look at that. Little llama for $4 and the elephant. Oh, and they do have a bird. I like how the bottom looks like cement. That's $10. That's $6. $12. This one is nice. And that's $10. Then you have these up here. Some of them look like the stuff they've already had in the past, but then it looks a little different. This is $10. That's kind of cool. That one, this big one, $22. And then you have those up there, and the one that looks like it's in an envelope for $6. Here's a few hanging floral arrangements for Easter. These are $20 right here. You have some Easter garland. Those flowers down there are $6. Oh, these colors are pretty. Look at that. This is $18 with the little butterflies. This bushel right here is $18. You have a basket. Oh, look at the bunny head for $16. This one right here that's shaped like a basket is $14. And this wreath is $22. This is cute too. And that is $20. Out here you have more. The lavender, $16, and the flowers and garden, that's the same pot that we can get from a Dollar Tree. You have some more up there with the candle holders. And the wreaths are 22. These down here are 16. This one is nice though. Oh my goodness, they have the cutest socks for $3. Coconuts about you. Look at the little coconut. Wolf you, I love you, a chocolate. There's no otter. And then it repeats. If you can see this, give me a kiss, and sweetheart. And then you have these pictures. Life is better when we're together. I like those. Okay, the cups were $5. Remember, I looked at that one. These candles say different things on the front. Soulmates for $6. Blessed and love. Little tin can candles for $5. Those pictures, short sleeve t-shirt with shorts for $15. Okay. Oh, it looks like that. So a little pajama set. Or you can get this gown that says love with the polka dots. These are $12. Or you have this black one with some hearts on it. And then there's some pillows down there. Sweet dreams, my love. And to kick off the new year, they have a lot of keto feast right there. Chocolate vanilla for $19.99. Turmeric cream, power creamer, beets with turmeric and ginger, keto coffee, I mean everything. Celery powder, greens powder, apple cider vinegar, 10-day green smoothie. So all kind of stuff right here. And there's a keto coffee and a protein coffee for $1 each. Okay, you guys, that is it today in Big Lots. Sorry to come back so soon. Oh, those are some cute candles. It's just the glass, but they're pretty. But okay, I'm gonna get out of this store and I'll talk to you again real soon. Bye, you guys. Oh, that sounds good. A shrimp bowl.